Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a joint account on the Revolut app. So it's pretty easy, you just have to open the Revolut app, then go to the hub, which is the third option on the bottom of the screen, and at the essentials feature you are going to see the joint account is the second option. And here, if you want to start creating your joint account, you just have to tap on start. And here you should read carefully all these details because these are very important informations that you have to consider when you create a joint account for two. So this account is going to be used by two people simultaneously. Dedicated account, joint card, limits, your details will be shared. Here are all the terms and conditions that you should read. And when you decide to create your joint account, just tap on confirm. After that, you have to choose the person from your Revolut contact list that you would like to share this joint account with, and you are going to have your new Revolut joint account. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.